During college, your finances might look like a roller coaster, and while managing your money will be a challenge from time to time, there are budgeting apps that can help you find balance and feel more stable. Hi, I'm Florencia from Gradehacker, the non-traditional student #1 resource, and these are the best apps to manage your finances. The first one we want to show you is Mint. This is one of the most popular budgeting apps available, and for a good reason. It offers a range of budgeting tools that, along with its intuitive design, make it easy to track your expenses and income, set up reminders for upcoming bills, and manage all your financial accounts in one place. You can also set automatic savings and monitor your investments. And the best part, promise please, it's free. Simple, has the most essential features, and free. What else do you need? Next, we have You Need a Budget, or YNAB. This app lets you track and manage any financial and investment account, making it easier to create a budget and stick to it. YNAB has easy-to-understand visuals of your budget so you can easily identify areas where you're overspending. You can also set up reminders for upcoming bills and track your progress. To use this app, you'll have to subscribe for $14.99 per month or $80 per year. Now, if you're looking for a budgeting app that includes a debt tracker where you can easily keep an eye on your credit card debt, student loans, or other forms of debt, it exists, and it's called EveryDollar. This one will help you create a budget based on your income and expenses, making it an ideal tool to start tracking your spending and identify areas of improvement. The good news, they offer a free version for their basic features. The bad, to access their most advanced tools, you'll have to pay for the premium version for the price of $17.99 per month or $79.99 per year. Another great option we have for you is Empower. Here, you'll create and stick to a budget, access spending reports to track your purchases, and set up savings account to reach any of your goals. This app offers an easy-to-use interface that includes visuals of your budget and spending. Plus, you can customize your budget to fit your lifestyle and budgeting needs, set up reminders for upcoming bills, and link your accounts for a better overall view of your finances. You can try Empower for 14 days before enrolling in a subscription for $8 per month. Pretty affordable. And last in our list, we recommend GoodBudget. This one includes clear visuals and investment tracking, which will allow you to check your finances and keep track of your financial goals without any problem. It has a free version, but if you want to upgrade, you can access a subscription for $8 per month or $70 per year. Choose any of these apps and you'll take full control of your expenses and ease any financial situation. And if you're committed and want instant result, you can include our tips and learn what financial mistakes you should avoid. We hope you find the app that perfectly suits you. Let us know in the comment which one it was. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.